Rainy Day Adventure. It's a Thursday morning in the Mission District of San Francisco. It's a dreary and rainy day. At the grocery outlet on South Finesse Avenue, Lance and Kaylee are busy at work. Something extraordinary is about to happen.
Wow, it's raining very heavy today.
I hope it's gonna rain on Katya.
Good morning! I am shopping for snacks today.
I hope you find something very good.
Cookies, cake,
Boba.
baby donuts too! Bobas, Oreo, and chocolate chip cookies.
In the meantime, at the California Academy of Sciences, a very bad guy is stealing a 100-year-old Methuselah fish from the aquarium. Let's see what is unraveling there.
It's a beautiful fish. I love watching pull float in the water.
The fish is mine.
Oh no, you're not getting that way easily. I will catch you.
Peter chases the bad guy outside of the museum. And he gets on the bus with him. The bus traveled throughout the city from Golden Gate Park to the Mission District. At the next stop, the bad guy exits the bus and Peter follows him.
Stop right there.
I don't want to stop. I don't want your fish.
A cupcake fell from the sky and scared the bad guy. The bad guy dropped the fish and ran away.
And we saved the fish.
Whew. I finally escaped.
After all his chasing, Peter got really hungry, and what a coincidence! He was standing right in front of the grocery outlet.
Well, all that wedding made me hungry.
Me too. I'm hungry too.
I want hamburger and french fries.
Finally, the rain stopped.
Wow, it's a beautiful rainbow.
Look at the rainbow!
It's ginormous.
Fly over the rainbow. Look over the rainbow.
What's happening at Jelly Donut?
We could get donuts for everybody.
And that is how one rainy day turned into the sweetest adventure ever.
Rainy days can be great after all.
And more donuts.
It's raining donuts out of the sky. Donuts. Don't need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes.
This is the best day ever!
Yum, yum, yum. We're gonna have some fun. It's raining donuts.